day 12 of our Norwegian cruise around southeast Australia and New Zealand, we arrived in Wellington, the capital city of New Zealand, at the bottom of the North Island. This is a cool little city and is one of the windiest cities in the world. For our excursion here, Sheila and I chose In the Footsteps of Lord of the Rings. Now we must have been a bit confused because we thought we were going to Hobbiton. But Hobbiton is the actual outdoor movie set located in Mata, New Zealand, 6 hours north of Wellington. We were expecting to see cute round door hobbit homes and the Green Dragon Inn and beautiful gardens and little paths. We were expecting the entire village of the Shire, just like in the movies. You can imagine our confusion as our van wound through the streets of Wellington and arrived outside a normal-looking building called Weta Workshop. Anyway, the Weta Workshop is a world-famous special effects studio based here in Wellington, and they make costumes, creatures, weapons, props and cool effects for the movies. The workshop is best known for its work on The Hobbit, The Lord of the Rings, Avatar, Chronicles of Narnia and King Kong, just to name a few. After our tour of Weta Workshop, we went out into the countryside to see where some actual scenes from The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings had been filmed. Our guide showed us the locations and described the scenes and showed us stills of the locations from the actual movie. This was an okay excursion, of particular interest for Tolkien fans and movie buffs. Just as long as you're aware beforehand that this is not Hobbiton, which is 6 hours north from Wellington.